What is a text feature? A text feature can help us use and locate information in a nonfiction text. That's text that is about real life things. Ask yourself, what are you learning from the text feature? This is the front cover. The title of the book is Baby Animals in Wetland Habitats. Also on this page is the author, Bobby Cowman. The front cover tells us the title, and the title tells us what the book is going to be about. The very next page is our title page. The title of the book is on a page inside of the book. That's the title page. It says the same exact thing as the front cover. This page is the table of contents. The table of contents tells us what page each bit of information is on. What I can ask myself on this page is, what can I find and where can I find it? All of the topics of the book are going to be on this page. So if I'm looking for mammal babies, what page can I find it on? Pause the video, find out, and press play when you've got it. Yep, page 16. On this page, there are some words that look different than the other words. They stand out. Can you pause the video and find those words? Press play when you think you found them. Alright, let's see if you found the words that stand out. I see words that are bigger than other words, and they're darker than other words. We call those bold print words. So these words are in a darker, thicker print because they are important. And usually when you see a bold print word, the text will tell you what that word means because it's really important. If you don't find the definition in the text, you can always go to the back of the book to another text feature called the glossary. So I can find from bold print words the important definitions of the book. On this page, it starts with a heading. A heading is the title of each page. It's going to tell you what the page will be about. If I'm looking for mammal babies, I won't find it on this page because the heading says 2 kinds of wetlands. So that means that our page is going to be about the 2 kinds of wetlands, swamps and marshes. On this page, there are lots of pictures, but some of the pictures look different. Can you find the pictures that look different and explain why they look different? What makes them different? Pause the video, figure it out, and press play when you've got it. Alright, so 2 of these pictures look different. The bunny rabbit and the possum are a picture called illustration. Illustrations are drawings. You can definitely tell that someone used a pencil or some paint to draw these animals. All of the other pictures are photographs. These are pictures taken with a camera. They're real life. This is what the animals will look like in real life if you saw them with your very own eyes. You can tell from photographs and illustrations what the information looks like. So if this book is about babies, animal babies, all of these pictures are going to help you understand what they look like. On this page, there's lots of photographs. By each photograph, there are some words, and those words are not exactly in the text. What kind of words are they? And what do they do? Those words are called captions. Captions are really important because they come with every single picture in your book. The picture, the caption describes the picture. So this first caption above the eggs says, before hatching, the babies let out loud noises to let their mother know that they are ready to hatch. The mother then digs out the eggs. So this is a picture of eggs after they have made their loud noises and the mother has dug them up. The picture on the bottom right has a caption inside of the picture. It says the hatchlings stay close in groups called pods. You see, pods is an important word. Underneath that top picture says the mother carries their babies back to the water and look after them for up to 2 years. The alligator mother is carrying her babies on her back. Wow, I did not even see that when I looked at the picture the first time. So, if I read the caption, I could see closely that there are baby alligators on that mother alligator's back. The caption tells you what the picture is about. There is another set of words that kind of looks like a caption, but it's actually a label for that picture. Do you see that arrow pointing to the tip of that alligator's nose? That says each baby breaks its egg using an egg tooth. So that's a label pointing at the alligator's egg tooth. A label identifies the part of the picture. So that is the alligator's egg tooth. On this page, there is a diagram. Diagrams are really cool because they show a whole picture and they break apart that picture into different parts of an object. So in this diagram, there are lots of labels. This is a picture of a lily pad, and in this lily pad, there are different parts. There are the roots in the soil at the bottom. There's a long stem. There are leaves that take in sunlight and leaves that take in air. There are many different objects. So those labels identify the different parts of the picture. Now on this page, this is one of the very last pages, you see lots of words and lots of numbers too. This is called the index. These are the important topics and words in the text and where you can find them. So if I am looking to find out something about photosynthesis, what page would I find that on? Pause the video, figure out where I would find photosynthesis, and press play when you're ready. Did you find it? It's at the bottom. It's right here. Photosynthesis on page 22. Now this page was not in our book, but I stole it from another book. This is another really important text feature called the glossary. I talked about it earlier. This glossary gives us the meanings of those important words we read. So in this book, one important word was raise. Raise means to take care of young until it is grown up. Raise. So in a glossary, the book gives you important meanings of words. You can use this glossary whenever you find a bold word that you don't know the meaning of. You can flip to the back of the book and there the definition will be. It's a really cool text feature. So when you see a text feature, ask yourself, what am I learning from the text feature? Now that you've learned how to use text features, go tell your teacher, Turtle, to get the Listening Turtle badge.